Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Ryo. Today we're making super simple king oyster mushroom side dish. You know, the mushroom is called eringi here in Japan, and it's super popular ingredient here. We sometimes make miso soup with it, we sometimes stir fry it with meat or something like that. But today I'm gonna use only this to make a simple, nice side dish. Plus, you don't even need a knife to make it. Wow, sounds amazing, doesn't it? Alright, let's get started! Well, the ingredients for super easy king oyster mushroom side dish is only one, the king oyster mushroom. I'll use these smaller two this time out of this 3 pieces package. Plus you need some kind of cooking oil to stir fry it, a bit of bonito flakes, and a half teaspoon of soy sauce to season. You got only 3 steps to make it. Step number 1 is to tear the mushroom into pieces with your hands. Step number 2 is to stir fry it in a small frying pan or in a saucepan. Step number 3 is to season it with a bit of bonito flakes and a half teaspoon of soy sauce. That's it. Super easy, doesn't it? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Step number 1 is to prepare the mushroom. I'll give it a nice rinse to it and start tearing it with my hands like this. Okay, that's it. Yeah, like this. I need to tear it into 4 or something like that. Yeah, this is too big, I guess. You see that? Great. This is too big. Okay, I made it in half, so yeah, looks nice. Okay, but we go on to step 2. Right, it's time to go to step 2. Step 2 is stir fry the mushroom. Now the pan is heated, so I pour in some cooking oil. I use sesame oil this time, but it's all up to you. Any kind of cooking oil would be nice. And this is quite optional, but I'll add in a bit of cut red pepper in it because I like it hot. But it's quite optional, so it's all up to you if you use it or not. And then add in the teared mushroom here. Yeah, like this. Medium-high heat would be nice. Right, stir fry it for a while. Well, everything goes quick today. It's been about 2 or 3 minutes since I started heating the mushroom. When the mushroom gets nice and brown like this, it's time to go to step 3. Alright, step 3 is to add in some bonito flakes plus half teaspoon of soy sauce. Yeah, that's it. Okay, looks great. It's awesome. Well, it's done. Yeah. Okay, now the super simple king oyster mushroom side dish is ready to go. Here you are. Yeah, it's time to play the mushroom side dish like this. Can you see that? Yeah, like this. Right, now the super simple king oyster mushroom side dish is ready now. Alright, now you know to make super easy king oyster mushroom side dish. Is super easy, literally. So why don't you give it a try at your home? Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and leave some messages down below. Alright, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Arigato, take good care, bye!